Female vocals, this is what it sounds like dry.
You're not sure that you love me, but you're not sure enough to let me go.
Now let's put LX480 Essentials onto the track via Ascend.
You're not sure that you love me, but you're not sure enough to let me.
Too loud, so let's bring it down. Now, normally I would do this while the rest of the mix is playing. It's why I tend to add reverb after the EQing and compression are finished. But I only have one track to play for this demonstration. So I'm going to lower the fader until it's quite subtle.
You're not sure that you love me, but you're not sure enough to let me go. Baby, it ain't fair, you know, to just keep me hanging round. You don't wanna hurt me, you don't wanna see.
Alright, now before and after while it plays.
You're not sure that you love me, but you're not sure enough to let me go. Baby, it ain't fair, you know, to just keep me hanging round.
Now let's add a delay, which is being triggered just off the dry vocal track using Soundtoys Microshift. I also need to blend that one back in as well. Let's listen to it by itself first.
You're not sure that you love me, but you're not sure enough to let me go. Baby, it ain't fair, you know, to just keep me hanging round. You don't wanna hurt me, you don't wanna see my tears. So I used to stand there just watching me drown. And it's alright, I'll be fine, don't worry about this heart of mine. Just take it loving. You're not sure that you love me, but you're not sure enough to let me go. Baby, it ain't fair, you know, to just keep me hanging round.
And now, that vocal sounds big and bold. Let's listen to it again. Dry versus wet.
You're not sure that you love me, but you're not sure enough to let me go. Baby, it ain't fair, you know, to just keep me hanging round.
Amazing. Amazing. How three-dimensional that sounds now. Let's go to male vocals. This time as an insert instead of a send. I had to use bit shift gain because whoever recorded this recorded way too loud, or they normalized the track. Either way, I had to reduce it by 12 decibels. This is a very dynamic vocal track, so it required 3 compressors plus a tape machine, which is a little bit of saturation and compression. So yeah, this one needed some work, but let's go. First, I will raise this all the way up so you can hear 100% wet reverb.
If you could hold yourself in these arms.
So this one is the plate reverb. The previous one was just an ambiance or ambience reverb. And I liked it when the 60-40 split.
If you could hold yourself in these arms.
Damn, that sounds good. I want to put reverb on my own voiceover, so let me just put it on just briefly so you all can hear me through a Lexicon 480L emulation. My voiceover is now more expensive than it once was. Anyway, yeah, I had to adjust the preset because it was just using up too much low end, and that's the beautiful thing about this reverb is it has so few controls. You know, it just has the nitty gritty. They're all, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Undo, there we go. So it has just the essentials, which are the emulations at the top. And then we have the reverb times 60 control. And it's 60 because at negative 60 decibels, that's where the reverb typically disappears. So that's how long the reverb tail goes. And then we also have a filter for the frequency. So if I click on this slider, it says low frequency, so that's where it's filtered at. So we can easily do the Abbey Road trick right in the plugin. And then we also have the low cut filter, even though it says high frequency, that's what it is. And then we also, I don't know, oh, this is the pre-delay, which here, I'll just let you guys hear what the pre-delay does. It delays the time the reverb begins. So if I make it very obvious, listen to it.
If you could hold yourself in these arms.
So it was 0 before.
If you could hold yourself.
No pre-delay. And then finally the wet dry or mix slider. Then down here we have our presets. We can load them, we can save them. Oh, so you can even share them. Nice. Very nice. And then it's an A/B. That is another great feature. Not every reverb plugin has an A/B comparison. So you can, figure out what sounds better from within the plugin, so you don't have to load another instance of it. Very cool. Moving on, let's go to, I believe this is an electric guitar. Yep. So I have this on a dry Fender twin reverb setting. Let's listen to it without the plugin first. Very nice. That is with the room algorithm. And then finally, let's listen to some drums before and after. So there you have it. The Relab Development LX480 Essentials plugin. Currently on sale for $35. Take note, it is a zero latency plugin. See right down there where it says CPU 0/0 SPLS? That's what that means. That means that you can use this reverb plugin while you're recording. Apparently, the Lexicon 480L came out 35 years ago, so that's why this plugin is only $35 for a short period of time. Get it while the sale lasts, because the bigger plugin costs $350 and the real hardware costs around $4,000 on the used market.
Thanks for watching this RealHomeRecording.com video. You can get monthly audio engineering news and exclusive videos by signing up for our newsletter. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or thumbs down and consider subscribing. Have some questions? Feel free to ask them in the comment section below.